Okay, today I'm making coconut oil. I purchased these dry coconuts. They weigh 500 grams. Let's see how much oil I will get from these coconuts. Remove this brown layer out of these coconuts using this thing. I scratched these coconuts on this plate and removed our outer layer, and I am going to cut them into small pieces and blend them in a mixer juicer by adding some water. I get some milk, blended it using mixie, and I am going to extract milk from this. Pouring milk from this using a cloth into the bowl. This is the amount of milk I got from this coconut scrap, and I am gonna extract one more time. I'm gonna add some more water and extract one more time. So I pour this milk in a thick bottom pan, thick bottom, what do you call this thing is, and I am heating it on very low flame. The time is right now is 2:30 p.m. and this milk is boiling on a slow flame. Let's see how much time it will take to give out the oil. Let it boil. See the lumps. When I'm boiling this milk, it is creating such kind of lumps. See what is happening. I increase the flame a little bit and see it is boiling. Listen to the sound the oil is making. See the appearance of the milk, boiling milk. It is spewing oil. It is giving away oil. Let's wait. See, it is giving away the oil. The quantity of the milk is reduced. You can see on the corners the oil is brewing out. You can see it. Let's wait till such a time that this white thing becomes brown. See the oil. This is the oil. We have to wait until this white matter becomes brown. I am heating it on slow flame. Okay, so I have been cooking it since 1 hour past already. I took 500 grams of raw coconuts. Let's wait some more time. See the oil. I turned off the fire and I will let it cool, then I filter and I will see how much oil I got from 500 grams of raw coconut. See, this is the amount of oil I extracted from 500 grams of coconuts. It is very small, very few amount. Is it worth the effort? It is 4:30 right now. I spent 2 hours and 500 grams of coconut, some water and some gas. Ultimately I got this much. This won't be sufficient for, it will be sufficient only for one day, not even one day. It is not worth of your time. Anyways, this is the technique of extracting oil from coconuts. Do not waste your time on this process if you are a busy guy. Thank you. This is the amount of oil I finally got. I heated it again for the second time. It was burnt, that's why the oil color changed to yellow, some kind of yellow. The economics of producing this is, I bought 500 grams of coconuts at 80 rupees, and the quantity, you can think, you can guess, this is probably 50 ml. This bottle contains 200 ml and it must be 50 ml. So to produce 500 ml oil I need to buy 800 rupees of coconut. So one more thing, I got oil, this brand Coco Soul. They are selling, what is that, 1 minute, 399 rupees for 500 ml. Okay, my phone, okay, now clear. The thing is, for 500 ml I had to spend 400 rupees here. For the same amount of oil, 500 ml, I had to spend 800 rupees here. So the cost is very high and it is taking time. And the one more thing I can say is this is the purest form of oil, and they are producing at the half of the cost. Maybe probably they are blending it with something else, or something bogus is happening, or we don't know the oil industry. See, this is my experimentation. For production of 500 ml I need to spend 800, and they're producing it only 400 rupees. We don't know what is happening inside the plants. How are they extracting 500 ml at and selling it 400 rupees? We don't know it. So if you have time and money, you can produce oil at your home and use it for your nutritional purposes. Thank you for watching this video.